Today we go for the meat. Beef Pizzaiola. Carne alla pizzaiola. Very simple and very tasty. It sounds like pizza. There are some similarities. Let's see the ingredients. Extra virgin olive oil, 8 tablespoons. Instead of a glass of any white wine, I'm using here Pinot Grigio. 2 garlic cloves, very thinly sliced. 4 to 6 slices of scotch fillet, 4 millimeters thick. A can of diced tomatoes. 2 teaspoons of oregano. 4 teaspoons of capers. 12 basil leaves. And finally, salt and pepper. Pour 8 tablespoons of oil into the pan and turn the heat on high. Drop the meat in the hot oil, cook it only for 30 seconds each side and add salt only on one side. Turn the heat off under the pan, we're gonna use it later. Cover the meat to keep it warm and put it aside. Time to slice the garlic thinly. Turn the heat on low under the pan and pour 1/3 of a glass of white wine. Mix properly to recover the juices left over from cooking the meat. When the sauce thickened, add the can of diced tomatoes and mix it. Add a generous amount of pepper. Chop manually the basil leaves. And add the meat with the leftover juices. Keep the cooking time to less than 2 minutes or the meat is going to turn chewy. In meantime, add 4 teaspoons of capers, the sliced garlic and 2 teaspoons of oregano. Mix it well for 15 seconds and turn it off. Put it to the test. It's soft. Don't cook it too much. The oregano is predominant, but you can taste wine, capers, pepper and garlic, of course. Then of course tomato.